Hey everybody, this is Miss Schick, and I am here with your morning announcement this morning, and today we're going to be talking about person-first language. So my first question for you is, who are you? I want you to turn and talk to the person next to you and tell them who you are. How do you describe yourself? Do you think that you are a student, an athlete, a soccer player? Are you a brother, a sister, a bookworm? Who are you? All right, now I want you to turn and say something to the person next to you about how you describe people with disabilities. If you see someone who doesn't think the way that you do, or talk the way that you do, or walk the way that you do, how do you describe them? Have you ever said, "That kid is so stupid"? "Oh, that's just a sped kid." "Well, she's in a wheelchair. It's not like she can do anything." "He's so retarded." Watch this.
Nice guy when you get to know me. I enjoy comedy movies and action, all kinds of action movies. By the way, I have autism.
I'm CJ, and I'm a person who has a learning disability, but I'm a person who learns in different ways. I'm a very active person. I'm a person who has a learning disability.
I am not the autistic girl. I am Sierra. I like animals. I am a good friend. I help people, and I have autism.
Hi, my name is Rachel Waring. I'm a very hard worker in everything I do so I can get where I want to be. My name is Rachel Waring and I have an intellectual disability.
Hi, my name is Kayla. I like watching movies and hanging out with friends and family. I also like listening to music, and by the way, I have a seizure disorder.
As you can see, people might think or talk differently than you, but they also might have a lot of the same interests. Do you like being active? Do you like action movies? Do you like drawing or helping others? Are you a good friend? Well, then you have something in common with all of these people. What is person-first language? Person-first language is referring to a person by who they are, not the disability that they have. So instead of saying the wheelchair kid, let's say a kid in a wheelchair. Try to put the person first and then the identity. This is how you do it. You say a person with, and insert the disability that the person has here. So a way to see this might be a person with autism or a person with a learning disability. Why does this matter? This is an easy way for us to be respectful of our friends and our teachers, because guess what? Sometimes teachers have disabilities too. It makes people feel good about themselves. Saying that a person is a person first really helps them out. And finally, it's the Mustang way. Mustangs are not their disabilities. You are a gamer, a bookworm, a teenager, a little brother, a big sister, an athlete, a student, and a Mustang, but you aren't a disability. One way that you can help this is by referring to other people using person-first language. This week in Second Step Lessons, we'll be talking about person-first language, and we'll be listening in the hallways to see if we hear you using it. If we hear you using it, you might get a special prize from a teacher. Thank you so much. Have a good week.